This lesson is on metal work hand tools, and it's for JSS 2 basic technology. We'll be looking at identifying 12 metal work hand tools. The first tool is called a center punch. It's used for marking work of all descriptions. It's also used for dotting the place where holes have to be drilled for the center of the drill to start in. The second tool is called the engineer's hammerhead, and it is used by the engineer for hammering the metal items. The third tool is called a scriber. The scriber is used also for marking in. The fourth tool is outside calipers, used for measuring the outer diameters of bodies and for transferring the size from the ruler to the article in the round or vice versa. The fifth tool is called wing compasses and is made of iron. It's used for geometrical setting out of all kinds. The sixth tool is called a scratch card or card wire brush. It's used for cleaning files by brushing it on the file in the same direction as the cut of the teeth. The seventh tool is called a hand bastard file. It's used for filing all kinds of flat surfaces and roughing down any metal. The seventh tool is called a half-round bastard file. This half-round bastard file is used for filing both flat surfaces and curved surfaces for any metal. The ninth tool is called a hand or cold chisel. It's used for cutting all kinds of metal in the cold state. The 10th tool is a soldering iron. It's also called a copper bit. It's used for all kinds of soft soldering. This bottom part of it is usually made of wood. The 11th tool is called a tin man's gas stove and is used by the metal workers for soft soldering so that one iron can be getting hot while the other one is being used. The 12th tool is called the Lancashire hacksaw. It's used only for soft metals like brass, copper, and so on. Thank you so much. That will be the end of our lesson for today.